Hey, YouTube. This is Catfish Terry. In a lot of my live streams, y'all been hearing my crazy cuckoo clock, y'all, and I want to give y'all a little shot of it and let you see it and everything and see what you're hearing. Everybody keeps mentioning the music, the monsters. So, that y'all thought I'd let y'all see it in real time, y'all. So, Catfish Terry's cuckoo clock. I received it for my birthday 1 year ago, y'all. I love it. Here it is. Y'all, my babies. The, the monsters. Cuckoo clock. This thing is so neat. Eddie Monster. Got his little bear with him. The old car. Harmon Monster. Y'all, there's Grandpa. Try and think of everybody's name, y'all. Lily. What was their niece's name? Marilyn? I think it's Marilyn, y'all. Got the balcony. There's the big old bird. The clock, the balcony, chimney and everything, y'all. Let's see if we can't get her to go off, y'all. I love my clock, y'all. Awesome birthday gift. But that's what you hear in my live streams, y'all. Y'all come see Catfish Terry sometime and hear it, y'all. Take care. Thank you.